I've just tried a new side hustle using Google's latest AI tool, and the results have actually blown my mind. I made $3,635 last week with this tool and a few simple steps. And let me tell you, it's a lot easier than you might think. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can set up a side hustle using Google's Notebook LM, WordPress, and affiliate marketing to generate passive income. Let's get started. So, first things first, what is this Google tool? You might not have heard of Google's Notebook LM. It's a new AI tool that's been flying under the radar for a lot of people. Essentially, it's an advanced version of Google's AI that can take your written content and turn it into a podcast. Yes, it can literally take something like a blog post or article, turn it into audio, and even make it sound pretty professional. I know it sounds like a magic trick, but it's real. And in just a few moments, you'll see if it's worth using as part of a side hustle. Step 1. Create a website. Now, I know setting up a website can sound intimidating, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step. I'm recommending Hostinger as the platform to host your website, especially for beginners. Hostinger is easy to use, offers affordable pricing, and most importantly, it has the tools we need to make this whole process smooth. Let's talk about their plans. Hostinger offers several plans, but the business plan is the one to go for if you want to take full advantage of the AI tools. I recommend committing to at least 12 months. When you do this, you get a free domain, and it's more cost-effective in the long run. Hostinger even offers promo codes, so make sure you look for those when you're signing up. Once you've selected your plan and signed up, make sure you choose the WordPress option when you're setting up your site. This is key for what we're about to do. Once your site is live, there's one more thing you need to do. Install the Seriously Simple Podcasting plugin. This plugin is going to handle the podcast side of things. You'll be using it to upload your audio files later, so go ahead and get that installed. Step 2. Come up with an article topic. You're going to need a topic with a title first. First, think about a niche for your podcast and website. What are you interested in, or what do you know a lot about? Once you've decided on your niche, head over to ChatGPT and give a prompt like this. Let's say we're interested in the tech and gadgets niche. Once you've picked some ideas, you can also ask ChatGPT to generate an SEO-optimized title for your article. You want your title to be relevant to your audience and to what your podcast is about. For example, if you're talking about tech gadgets, a good title might be The 10 Best Gadgets You Need to Have in 2025. You can simply ask ChatGPT to generate the title for you, and it'll give you a variety of options. Pick the one that resonates most with you and your audience, and you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate your article. You can use Hostinger's AI tools and features to write the main body of your article. Just plug in the title, choose a friendly tone, and make sure the content length is long. You want to make sure the content is detailed enough to be useful for your audience. The AI will generate the content for you, and once it's ready, you can go in and make edits to make sure it matches your voice and style. With the article ready, it's time to publish it on your WordPress site. Then, you'll want to grab the URL for your article because we're going to need it in just a minute. Step 4. Create a podcast episode from your article. Here's where Notebook LM comes into play. Head over to the Notebook LM website. It's super simple to use. Once you're signed up and logged in, click on Create New. Then, to add a source, click on Website and paste your article URL in. Then, click on Generate, where it says Deep Dive Conversation. Give the AI a few minutes and then play the audio to hear what's being said. That really sounds like a real podcast, which is pretty mind-blowing. Now, it's time to download the audio file. You can then upload it to the podcast episode section of your WordPress site. Don't forget to add your podcast art here too. Canva is a great tool for designing your podcast cover. Just look at the podcast cover templates, open one up, and then customize it for your own podcast. You can use Canva's free plan to create something simple, yet eye-catching. Step 5. Monetize your podcast. To monetize your podcast, you want to be part of the Amazon Associates program. Sign up for the program, and then you'll have access to affiliate links for any product that you want to promote from Amazon. For example, if your episode is about the best kitchen gadgets, you can link to products like blenders, coffee makers, or anything else in that category. When people buy those gadgets through your affiliate links, you make a little commission. Make sure to mention these products in your articles with your affiliate links included. Then it's time to save your changes and publish the post. Now your podcast is live and it's ready to start earning you money. Step 6. Drive traffic to your website. Creating content is only half the battle. The next step is driving traffic to your website so people can actually listen to your podcast and click on your affiliate links. One great way to drive traffic is by turning your podcast into a YouTube video. You can use the audio from your podcast and add visuals, whether it's a simple slideshow or more complex video footage. Make sure to include links to your article and affiliate products in the description of the video. This way, viewers can click through and check out the products you're promoting. Pinterest is another platform that works well for driving traffic. Create a few attractive pins that link back to your article and share them on Pinterest. Again, you can use Canva for this. As people discover your content on Pinterest, they'll click through to your website and listen to your podcast. The more people who listen to your podcast and click on your affiliate links, the more money you'll make. So let's quickly recap what we did today. First, we set up a WordPress website using Hostinger. Then we created an article in your chosen niche and published it. Next, we turned your article into a podcast using Google's Notebook LM. After that, we monetized the podcast by adding Amazon affiliate links. Finally, we talked about some ways to drive traffic to your content, like repurposing your podcast into YouTube videos and using Pinterest. Now, is this side hustle worth it for beginners? Honestly, I think it is. It's simple, affordable, and can be very effective if you're consistent with it. But like any side hustle, it's not gonna make you money overnight. If you're looking for a side hustle that's beginner-friendly and can scale up over time, this one is definitely worth considering. Give it a try for yourself and see how it goes. Which niche are you thinking of making a podcast in? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.